To easily find the squares of large numbers, we can use the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares is equal to the product of the sum and the difference of these two numbers. Now, to calculate the square of 998, what number completes 998 to 1000? 2. So here, the square of 2, we subtract 1 and add 1. Now it's very easy. When we apply the difference of two squares here, subtracting 2 from 998 gives 996, and adding 2 to 998 gives 1000. Multiplying that by 1000 means adding 3 zeros. The square of 2 is 4. Finally, when we add 4, our number is 996,004. What is the number that completes 97 to 100? 3. So we subtract 1 and add 1 to the square of 3 here. Now let's apply the difference of squares to these two numbers. Subtracting 3 from 97 gives 94. Adding 3 to 97 gives 100. Multiplying this number by 100 means adding 2 zeros. Then we have the square of 3 left, which is 9. Adding 9 to this gives 9,409. What do we subtract from 1004 to make it 1004? So we subtract and add the square of 4 here. Now, when we look at this expression, if we add 4 to 1004, we get 1008. If we subtract 4 from 1004, we get 1000. Multiplying this by 1000 means adding 3 zeros. Plus, there is also the square of 4. So we will add 16 here. We can write it like this. When calculating the square of 103, how much do we subtract from 103 to get 100? 3. We subtract and add the square of 3. Let's apply the difference of squares here. 103 plus 3, 106. When you subtract 3 from 103, it becomes 100. We will multiply this by 100. So we add 2 zeros, plus finally we will add the square of 3, which is 9. When you add 9, it becomes 10,609.